Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we have something truly magical to share with you, the best witch's pot you can get your hands on. Whether you're brewing potions or just adding some spooky flair to your Halloween decor, this cauldron is a must-have. Let's dive in. This is the GiftExpress 8 Black Cauldron Kettle, and let me tell you, it's a game-changer. Standing at 8 inches wide and 6 inches tall, this cauldron is the perfect size for all your witchy needs. Made of durable plastic, it's lightweight yet sturdy, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, with its sleek black design, it adds a touch of eerie elegance to any setting. Now, let's talk about what sets this cauldron apart. Firstly, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party, a St. Patrick's Day celebration, or just want to add a bit of magic to your everyday life, this cauldron has you covered. Use it as a candy bucket for trick-or-treaters, a pot of gold centerpiece for St. Patty's, or even as a prop for your next cosplay. The possibilities are endless. When it comes to using your cauldron, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, despite its sturdy construction, I wouldn't recommend using it to carry heavy loads. While the handle is functional, it's best to treat it with care to ensure it lasts for years to come. Additionally, if you're planning on using it for food or drink, make sure to wash it thoroughly before and after use to maintain hygiene. So there you have it, folks. The GiftExpress 8 Black Cauldron Kettle is truly the best witch's pot on the market. With its durable construction, versatile design, and spooky chic aesthetic, it's a must-have for any witch or wizard. Whether you're brewing potions, casting spells, or just adding a touch of magic to your home, this cauldron has you covered. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay magical.